Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here, and welcome to the unboxing of the Boost Mobile Samsung Galaxy J7 Refine. Now, I know a lot of you have probably already seen this device. You probably already own it because this device has actually been out for several months. I actually picked it up about 5 months ago, but I never did an unboxing video since I did take a break from YouTube. But I am back and I bought this for you guys for the channel, so I figure I'll do a quick unboxing video of this. So take a look at the back of the box, give you some specifications: a 5.5-inch touchscreen display, 3,300 milliamp hour non-removable battery, getting 13 megapixel rear and front-facing camera, 32 gigs of ROM, 2 gigs of RAM. This is 4G LTE Plus and a 1.6 gigahertz octa-core processor. So opening up the Boost Mobile packaging, you are presented with a secondary box here, and as you can see, this blue color does say J7 Refine. Now you can actually pick up the J7 Refine right now at your local Walmart for the low price of $149.99, which is actually a pretty good discount considering this was launched with a price tag of $229.99. So I'm always a big fan of holding off, not picking up a device right when it's released, because they are actually priced kind of high. So $149 is what you'll get this for, and as you can see there, pretty good presentation opening up the box. And we'll take a quick glance at the J7 Refine, and it does have a nice gold color to it. I'm gonna go ahead and place this off to the side and share with you what else is in the box. Alright, so the first thing you get is a terms and condition guide. Second, you get your SIM removal tool, and then you also get a white colored micro USB data cable, so no Type-C on the J7 Refine. And next thing you have there is your Samsung branded wall brick, and this does charge at 5 volts at 2 amps, so that is what you're getting out of the box. Now, and taking a look at the J7 Refine now, so you do get that nice gold color to it. Up on top, 13 megapixel front facing camera, you got your earpiece, proximity sensor, Samsung branding. And to the bottom there, you got your capacitive button, so you're multitasking, your home button and your back button. Now that is not a fingerprint sensor, it is just the home button. Take a look at the right hand side, so you get that side firing speaker on this, so the speaker is on the right hand side, as well as the power button. And to the bottom there, 3.5mm headphone jack, which is always nice to see, micro USB charging port, and then you also get your microphone. And taking a look at the left hand side, up on top you got your volume rockers there, and then a tray that houses your SIM card. You can also input a micro SD card as well. Up on top you got your noise cancellation mic. And let's take a look at the back of the J7 Refine. Get your 13 megapixel rear facing camera, LED flash. I like that it's nice and flush to the back. Samsung branding right beneath that, and you get this nice gold color to the front and back. The back cover is non-removable, so you can't take it out, as well as the battery. And again, 3,300 milliamps is what you're getting, which is actually a pretty large capacity battery. The back does feel pretty nice. It has a nice weight to it. Overall, it looks like a nice, sleek smartphone in my opinion. Now with the display here, it is going to be 16:9, so it's not the 18:9 aspect ratio that you see on some of these newer smartphones. 1280 by 720. It's a TFT display, so HD resolution. As you can see, J7 Refine there, secured by Knox, powered by Android. This also does have facial recognition for your security feature. This is rocking Android 8.0 Oreo as well. You can expand the storage on this up to 256 gigabytes as well. This is where the unboxing video is going to end, because like I said, I know a lot of you have already seen this device, probably own it, watched unboxing videos, and I know your time is valuable, but I just want to share this with you since I did buy it several months ago. Again, you can purchase this at your local Best Buy, Walmart. $149 is the price. If you're interested in a full review, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to provide a full review. But once again, everybody, I appreciate each and every one of you for being subscribed to the channel, taking the time to watch the videos. And I am back on YouTube, and you're going to be seeing a lot more videos from me. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.